Happy holidays. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I wanted to share this little snippet, a short video of me applying this acrylic, which is Dynamic Nail Supply, Cutest Pink 215. It's one of their cover and it is so pretty. I will also post a video of the final results. But yeah, it's just a medium length set. I'm using a Temu acrylic nail brush, which is the size 14. The tips, oh, these are some of my favorite tips. I did get these tips from Amazon. These are the famous, I'll post I'll add a picture of the name of the tips. But I got them from Amazon. I'm probably not gonna buy them again, but they're really cute. And I was really focusing on my application with this set because I think my application is pretty good when I'm like practicing or like working on someone else. But application on yourself, it can be time consuming. However, I wanted to make sure that I shortened my shaping. So I just wanted to but apply the acrylic very smooth to avoid more issues. And I attempted to do a 3 bead method, and it looks really beautiful right here. Let's see what else. I'm using the acrylic brush from Temu, size 14. And I don't know if you guys are excited, but I'm so excited for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I still need to put up my tree, but I've been doing a little, Christmas shopping. I don't know if you guys caught that sale for Nail House. They had a really amazing sale. It was like 50% off plus an additional 10% if you use a code from one of their brand ambassadors. And I got my package yesterday, and they're just so beautiful. I have another package on the way from Dynamic. After this, I'm not buying no more because I don't think I have space. I don't think I have any room for any more nail stuff. I'm gonna try not to. We say that all the time, but I'm really gonna try. But thank you guys for watching. As you can see, I'm checking different angles to make sure all is well. But yeah, it's just a quick little video. But thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Show some love. And be on the lookout for me to post another video showing the results of this set. It came out really, really pretty. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you. Bye-bye.